When did it say it was about to rain? Well, bro, can you want here? I will get the umbrellas.
Yeah, I can wait here in the rain.
Here you go, bro.
He looks so cute when he sleeps.
I know, right? He is so cute.
Okay, we let continue. So then Jack said, why were you guys Sun Moon?